At EVIT, we're here to guide you as you transition to your next mission. With career-focused training, hands-on learning, and a community that supports veterans, your future starts here.
My name is Alex Rushner. I spent almost 9 years in the U.S. Navy, and I separated as an E6 First Class Petty Officer. I tell my kids, and I'm a big preacher, of you have to learn something new every day because information is power. So if you're not learning something new, then you're wasting your day away. My daughter graduated, and since she graduated high school, she was looking into going to college, going to do something, and I've always told her, hey, I want to melt metal, let's do that. So she started looking into the welding technologies because the welding is a high demand field right now. She was able to get a scholarship for her to go to school. So I'm like, oh my gosh, 2 for 1, I'll go, no problem. So it's been great being here because of that. I get to share time with my daughter. Welding has been more of a hobby and passion of mine. When you come to a school like this, where EVIT is teaching full welding technologies, you learn all aspects, all processes, and that's what I like.
With industry connections and programs tailored to today's workforce, we'll help you build a future you're proud of. Your future, your way at EVIT.